Right, 3 weeks on, and here we are. Here's the begonias. So you can see they all seem to be at slightly different stages of development, with that one there being the slowest, and arguably that's probably the most developed. They have now got, well, bad example. I have now got roots coming just to the base of the pots, plenty of top growth. So now is when I'm going to plant them out, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant them into these bell planters, which is a 30 centimetre planter. So that is actually the measurement from external to external. So internal is about 26 centimetres, I think, and they are 27 centimetres high. It's not really that relevant. And what I'm going to do is just plant 3 plants per pot, so that would give a good show. So I'll get the bits together, and I think we'll move outside, even though it does look like it's raining. So let's get going. Right, here we are in the garden. So bell planter, internal holes drilled, got some stone. So as with other planters, what we're going to do is just fill over the drainage holes with the stone. So that gives us about 3 inches of drainage. Compost, just a normal multi-purpose compost, or you could get a tubs and basket type compost. So let's get these whacked in there. Slide that back. Give it a light firm down. Plant, fingers either side of the stem, give it a tap out, gives you a root ball. You want it so it's about an inch below finishing level. As I say, all these begonias are orange, so you haven't got to worry about colour mixtures. So that's your 3 plants set out, and then fill in around like so. Obviously when you're filling, make sure that you're not covering over the corms. Very important. That's it, that's your finished container. Just got to give them a light water and then let them do their thing. So it's as easy as that. That's how to plant up a container with begonia that you started off. So we've gone from 3 weeks starting the corms to planting out. We are into middle of May, so it's a little bit late, but given where we're at with the weather, which has been absolutely shocking, it's not too bad. So these are planted, they're soon motor. So yeah, as I say, give them a water, maybe give them a week and then give them a liquid feed, and that will really get them going. So yeah, just make sure though you're not getting excessive amounts of water onto the centre of the corm, which is why the corm was planted elevated above the soil level. So thanks for watching the video. Hope you found it of interest. Any messages, questions, send them to me and I'll obviously respond. Please subscribe if you like what I'm doing, and don't forget to press the reminder button so you don't miss out on any future videos I'm doing. Till then, enjoy your garden and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.